Governor Mike Parson is now accusing the head of the St. Louis Metropolitan Pandemic Task Force of spreading false vaccine information.
Our Missouri Chief Capitol Bureau reporter Emily Manley was there when the governor took aim at Dr. Alex Garza. She joins us now live with more. Emily?
Well, Mandy and Vic, Governor Parson started off his press briefing with some good news. Here in the state of Missouri, COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations are down. But then he changed his tone, blasting Dr. Alex Garza, saying the head of the St. Louis Pandemic Task Force is not saying correct information when it comes to vaccine allocation.
I am tired of leaders like Dr. Garza misleading the people of St. Louis. Dr. Garza has made statements that have been absolutely false.
Missouri's governor took a stab at health officials.
There are some out there who want to push the narrative that we are not efficiently and adequately administering COVID-19 vaccines.
His target, St. Louis's Dr. Alex Garza.
He has led with fear and panic rather than a sense of balance. The people of St. Louis deserve better.
Dr. Garza has said Missouri is not sending enough vaccine to the St. Louis region. But Parson and State Health Director Dr. Randall Williams say that's not true.
I think it's a perception problem because, to the governor's point, I look at it, as of January 26, it was identical. The population in St. Louis was identical to the amount of vaccine they got. It was 37%.
Parson says there's vaccine somewhere in the region not used.
There are approximately 50,000 first and second doses in the St. Louis area that have not been reported as administered.
Parson blames partnered hospitals for not sharing doses.
The St. Louis County Health Department has not received its share of the Region C allocation that was originally agreed upon when the partnership was announced.
Dr. Garza, in a statement, said the most important thing right now is to get as many people vaccinated as quickly, safely, and equitably as possible. We are confident in the way we estimate the number of doses received by Region C, and our goal has always been to ensure fair and equitable distribution of vaccine with all our partners. Now, starting next week, the St. Louis area is supposed to start receiving more vaccine, with a big portion of that going to hospitals and the county health department. As for the rest of the state, Governor Parson said today that some of the shipments for the Pfizer and Moderna vaccine are currently delayed due to weather. Reporting live tonight from Missouri State Capitol Bureau in Jefferson City, I'm Emily Manley, Fox 2 News.